NEXEN Tire is all about quality and the latest technology. Its world-class NEXEN Tire Vehicle Dynamic Testing Center develops the best in ultra-high-performance tires. NEXEN Tire, where R&D brings tomorrow today. Where innovation meets peerless performance. The NEXEN Tire Vehicle Dynamic Testing Center is built in 2004 in Daegu, Korea. Located 5 minutes away from NEXEN Tire Changnyeong plant, the world's most advanced tire plant, and close to the Yongsan R&D Center, the testing center is part of NEXEN Tire's Technic Cluster. For R&D, that's fast thinking and fast acting. The center's global test network involves 17 proving grounds worldwide. NEXEN proactively responds to changes in the global tire market through collaboration with its technical centers in Europe, North America, and China. The center spans 394,545 square meters with 8 test tracks. Its state-of-the-art facilities have been designed to meet global certification tests. NEXEN Tire is a global tire manufacturer and partner to many global top auto manufacturers. At NEXEN, the consumer comes first. In a fast-changing market, NEXEN develops tires for maximum performance. Its center evaluates all prototypes after testing at the Yongsan Research Center. The best driving is always safe. That's why the center comprehensively analyzes all aspects of tire performance. All NEXEN tires must pass rigorous testing and evaluation. The dry-wet handling test evaluates handling and stability on extreme situations on dry and wet roads. The snow-ice handling test evaluates handling in the snow and ice. The ride test comprehensively assesses ride comfort. Objective evaluation is quantitative assessment of tire performance. The NVH test measures the pattern noise and road noise that follows excitation. The dry-wet braking test measures braking performance on dry and wet surfaces. The hydroplanning test measures the tire's drainage performance. The center comprehensively tests tire performance in real-world environments likely to be faced by the driver. The NEXEN Tire Vehicle Dynamic Testing Center complies with international standards in product certification evaluations. The sudden air loss test measures vehicle safety in the event of sudden air loss. The rollover test measures the rollover stability under sharp cornering. The wet grip test measures tire performance on wet roads. The pass-by noise test measures emission. NEXEN Tire fulfills global standards by outstanding quality and performance. The center runs NEXEN's unique UHP tire evaluation to meet the needs of global top manufacturers. Rigorous testing underpins the quality of NEXEN tires, produced at state-of-the-art factories in Changnyeong, Yongsan, and Cheongdo. NEXEN's commitment to global R&D, testing, and manufacturing have powered its OE supply to top global auto manufacturers. NEXEN's innovative tires have received good reviews from global auto magazines. NEXEN Tire's motorsports team rely on the technical skills of NEXEN Tire Vehicle Dynamic Testing Center to win big in the global motorsports world. The NEXEN Tire Vehicle Dynamic Testing Center creates high-value product tires, combining the latest evaluation technology, continuous challenge, and research. NEXEN Tire constantly innovates through its NEXEN Tire Vehicle Dynamic Testing Center for tires that offer unmatched safety and outstanding performance.